Good morning, everyone. I hope you are all fine. Today, we will do the revision of addition. So, let's start with the recap. So, today we will discuss addition without regrouping. So, what is the meaning of addition without regrouping? That means we will add the number without carry. So, let's see an example. Suppose you have to add 3,415 plus 1,241 plus 4,332. So first, you will write them in column method. Now, you will first add ones position, then tens place, then hundreds, and then thousand. When you add ones place, you will get 5 plus 1 plus 2, that is 8. 1 plus 4 plus 3, that is 8. 4 plus 2 plus 3, that is 9. 3 plus 1 plus 4, that is 8. So when you add them, you get 8,988 as a sum. Now let's move to the next topic, that is addition with regrouping. So the meaning of addition with regrouping means we will give carry to the previous number and then we will add them. So let's see an example. So we have to add 1,739 plus 2,549. Again, we will first write them in column method. Now we have to add these numbers. So first we will add ones place, then tens, then hundreds, and then thousand. So we get 4,288 as a sum. So when you add 9 plus 9, you get 18. So you will write 8 on ones place and 1 as a carry on tens place. Now you will add the carry, that is 1 plus 3 plus 4, that is 8. So it's a one digit number, so there is no carry on hundreds place. So we will add 7 and 5, that is 12. So we will write 2 here and 1 as a carry on thousands place. Now we will add 1 plus 1 plus 2, that is 4. So we get 4,288 as a sum. Now we will move to the next topic, that is properties of addition. So there are three properties of addition. The first is order property, second is zero property, and third is grouping property. So we will see these property one by one. So let's start with the order property. So order property means changing the order of addends does not change the sum. So let's understand this with an example. So you have two numbers, 3,254 and 6,523. Now we will apply this property and see the sum. So first we will write 3,254 and then we will write 6,523. So when we add these number, we get 9,777. Now we will interchange the place of these two numbers. Now we will first write 6,523 and then we will write 3,254. Now when we add these numbers, we get 9,777. So you can see that when we change the order of the addends, still we get the same sum. Now we'll move to the second property, that is zero property, which means adding 0 to any number gives the same number. Let's understand with an example. So we have 2,879 plus 0. So when we add 0 in this number, we get 2,879 as a sum. So you can see that if we add any number With 0, we get the number as a sum. Now we move to the third property, that is the last property. The third property is a grouping property. The sum of 3 or more numbers does not change even when their grouping is changed. Now understand this property with an example. So you have three numbers, 4,563. Second number is 2,312. And the third number is 5,110. Now, first, we will write these two numbers, 4,563 and second is 2,312. So when we add these two numbers, we get 6,875 as a sum. Now we will add third number in this sum, that is 5,110. Now when we add these two numbers, we get 11,985 as a sum. Now we will interchange the place and then find the sum. So in this part, we will write 2,312 first and then 5,110. When we add these two numbers, we get 7,422 as a sum. Now we will add the third number which is left in the sum, that is 4,563. So when we add these two numbers, we get 11,985 as a sum. So you can see that again we get the same number. So this question satisfies the grouping property. I hope you will be able to add the number with or without grouping, and you will be able to understand all the properties of addition. So, goodbye, kids.